Okay, students, good morning. This is lecture 2 for repair of materials. Pre-mixed cement concrete is used as repair of materials. Conventional concrete is composed of Portland cement, aggregates, and water. Admixtures are frequently used to entertain air, accelerate, or retard hydration, improve workability, increase strength, or alter the properties of concrete. Pozzolanic materials such as fly ash or silica fume may be used in Portland cement to provide reduced early heat of hydration, improve later stage strength, and increase the resistance to alkali aggregate reaction and sulfate attack. Cement paste, being a binder in concrete or mortar, holds fine aggregates, coarse aggregate, and other constituents together in a hardened matrix. Cement forms one of the most basic material used for not only in new construction but also as repair material. Therefore, selection of the appropriate type of cement for new construction as well as repair work is important and determines the final efficiency and durability of the structure. Pre-mixed cement concrete में ordinary Portland cement IS 456-2000 allows to use 33, 43, 53 grade of OPC. Grade 33 and 43 may be used for most of the repair works, whereas 53 grade cement is more suited for injection grouting of cracks or honeycombing concrete. Portland Pozzolana cement and Portland slag cement PPC is obtained by integrating of OPC clinkers with 15 to 35% of pozzolanic material like fly ash and calcined clay. Pozzolana themselves do not possess any cementitious properties, but in finally divided state and in presence of water chemically react with free lime available in the OPC cement paste to form compound possessing cementitious properties. Pozzolanic materials convert soluble calcium hydroxide into insoluble form, hence the permeability and durability gets improved. Portland slag cement is made by intergrinding Portland cement clinker, gypsum and granulated blast furnace slag. The quantity of blast furnace slag mixed with OPC will range from 25 to 65%. Pre-mixed cement concrete. Blast furnace slag is a waste produced consisting of a mixture of lime, silica and alumina obtained in manufacture of pig iron. Portland slag cement has low heat of hydration, better resistance to chlorides, sulfate and alkalis, low permeability and good resistance to acidic water. Rapid hardening cement RSC develops strength more rapidly at early age but as its ultimate strength comparable to OPC. It is used where early strength is required, for example, for road repair work, wall sealing, etc. Expensive cement. Concrete shrinks while setting due to loss of free water. The important property of expensive cement is that it suffers no overall change in volume on drying. This type of cement is made by mixing 8 to 20 parts of sulfoluminate clinker with 100 parts of OPC and 15 parts of stabilizer. Shrinkage compensating expensive cement are used to minimize cracking caused by drying. Shrinkage in repair concrete. It restrains expansion, induce compressive stress. Pre-mixed cement mortar. It is a mixture of Portland cement, fine aggregate and water. Water reducing admixtures, expensive agents and other modifiers are often used with conventional mortar to minimize shrinkage. Conventional mortar is readily available, well understood, economically and easy to produce, pace and finish. They are suitable for small cracks. Mortar generally exhibit increased drying shrinkage compared to concrete because of their higher water volume, high cement content and higher paste aggregate ratio. Good morning students. This is lecture 2 for the material for repairs. अभी तक हमने सीमेंटियस मटेरियल के बारे में पढ़ा था. इस जो रेस्ट पार्ट है लेक्चर 2 का, इसमें पढ़ेंगे सीमेंटियस मटेरियल प्लस पॉलीमर बेस्ड. पॉलीमर्स क्या होते हैं? पॉलीमर्स मैनी पार्ट्स किसके? मोनोमर्स के. एक लॉन्ग मोलिक्यूल मेड अप फ्रॉम स्मॉल मोलिक्यूल्स कॉल्ड मोनोमर्स. और मोनोमर्स कहाँ से आते हैं हमारे पास? मोनोमर्स हमारे पास रबड़ प्लांटेशन से आते हैं और जिसका हम केमिकल रिएक्शन के द्वारा हम उसको पॉलीमर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. दिस इज़ द केमिकल रिएक्शन. बट इन दिस केस द सीमेंटियस मटेरियल will be mixed with the polymer or monomer. Monomer will convert into polymer concrete or polymer mortar. Polymer concrete, the property due to air voids, water voids or due to the inherent porosity of gel structure itself. On account of the porosity, the strength of concrete is naturally reduced. It is conceived by many reasons. Workers that reduction of porosity results in increase of strength of concrete. Therefore, process like vibration, pressure, application, spinning, etc. have been practiced mainly to reduce porosity. All these methods have been found to be helpful to a great extent, but none of these methods could really help to reduce the water voids and the inherent porosity of gel, which is estimated to be about 28%. Impregnation of monomer and subsequently polymerization is the latest techniques adopted to reduce the inherent porosity of the concrete, to improve the strength and other properties of concrete. Polymer in concrete, a new construction achievement on the horizon. Though continued research, it has been established that addition of polymer in concrete brings about marked improvement in its compressive strength, fatigue resistance, impact resistance, toughness, and durability. Polymer concrete is highly impermeable and resistant to attack by acid, alkalis, and other chemicals. Types of polymer concrete. These are the types of polymer concrete which are classified into following three categories. First one is polymer impregnated concrete, that is called PIC, or polymer induced concrete. Second one is polymer Portland cement concrete, PPC, and third one is polymer concrete. Now come to the polymer impregnated concrete, PIC. PIC is a hardened Portland cement concrete that has been impregnated monomer. Monomer means low viscosity liquid organic materials and subsequently polymerized in situ. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट कंक्रीट, पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट प्लस एग्रीगेट प्लस मिक्सिंग ऑफ मोनोमर्स, सब्सिक्वेंटली इनको हम पॉलीमराइज करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्या आएगा, पॉलीमर impregnated concrete. In this case, the cement concrete is cast and cured in the conventional manner. After the concrete product gets hardened and dried, air from its voids is removed under partial vacuum and viscosity monomer like vinyl chloride etc. is diffused through the pores of concrete. The concrete product is then finally subjected to polymerization by radiation, by heat treatment, thereby converting. The concept in PIC is that if voids are responsible for low strength as well as poor durability of concrete in severe environment, then eliminating them by filling with a polymer should improve the characteristics of the material. It is difficult for a liquid penetrate it if the viscosity of the liquid is high and the voids in concrete are not empty. They contain either if they contain water and air. Therefore, for producing PIC, it is essential not only to select a low viscosity liquid for penetration but also to dry and evacuate the concrete before or subjecting it to the penetration process. Monomers such as methyl methacrylate and citrine are commonly used for penetration because of relatively low viscosity, high boiling point and low cost. After penetration, the monomer has to be polymerized in situ. This can be accomplished in one of three ways. इन तीन तरीकों में से एक तरीके से हम इसका पोलिमराइजेशन कर सकते हैं. A combination of promoter chemicals क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? promoter chemicals हमारा विनाइल एट्सेट्रा, ये हमारे promoter chemicals हुए. And catalyst can be used for room temperature polymerization, but it is not favored because the process is slow and less controllable. Second one is gamma radiation can also induce polymerization at room temperature, but the health hazard associated with it discourages the wide acceptance of this process in field practice. Third one, this is the most popular, which is generally employed, consisting of using a monomer catalyst mixture for penetration and subsequently polymerizing the monomer by heating the concrete to 70 degrees Celsius with system hot water or infrared heaters. PIC products, on account of their high resistance to wear and tear, impacts, etc., are used as in precast slab for bridge decks, roads and marine structures. Now come to the polymer Portland cement concrete or polymer Portland cement mortar. PPC is produced by incorporating an emulsion of polymer or a monomer in ordinary Portland cement. The ingredients comprising cement invented by joint aggregates and monomer are mixing with water, and monomer in the concrete mix is polymerized after placing concrete in position. The resultant concrete has improved in strength, adhesion, chemical resistance, impact resistance, abrasion resistance, increased impermeability and reduced absorption. Application is generally used in heavy marine works. And next is polymer concrete. Polymer concrete is a mixture of aggregates with polymer as the sole binder. Means polymer concrete में हम सीमेंट को यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ कंक्रीट प्लस पॉलीमर को यूज़ किया जाएगा. और फाइन एग्रीगेट में को भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं और कोर्स एग्रीगेट को भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देयर इज़ नो बॉन्डिंग मटेरियल प्रेजेंट. पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट इज़ नॉट यूज्ड. इट इज़ मैन्युफैक्चर्ड in a manner similar to that of cement concrete. Monomers or pre-polymers are added to the graded aggregate and the mixture is thoroughly mixed by hand or machine. The thoroughly mixed polymer concrete material is cast in molds of steel or aluminium. The polymer concrete material cast in molds are then polymerized either at room temperature or at an elevated temperature. The polymer concrete, polymer/monomer is employed to act as binder in place of cement. The monomer and aggregate are mixed together and the monomer is polymerized after placement of concrete in position. इनके जो एप्लीकेशन है वो होते हैं इंडस्ट्रियल स्ट्रक्चर पे, डैम्स पे, as it possesses good electrical properties, it can be used to manufacturing electrical poles, etc. Now come to the precautions while placing these type of polymer induced repair of materials. General guidelines and precautions for use of polymer modified cement, mortar of oblique concrete are as follows. The speed and time of mixing should be properly selected to avoid unnecessary entrapment of air. The PMM/PMC has excellent addition even to metal, and hence all equipment should be washed immediately after use. For resurfacing, flooring and patching, all loose and non-durable materials must be removed either by sandblasting, wire brushing and blowing with compressed air. जिस सरफेस में हमको ये लगाना है उस सरफेस से हमको सारा लूज़ मटेरियल हटा देना है, चाहे हम उसको जो सैंड पेपर है उससे हटाएं, चाहे वायर ब्रशिंग से हटाएं, चाहे तेज कंप्रेस्ड हेयर से हटाएं. द क्लीन्ड सरफेस शुड बी थोरोली वेटेड वेल बिफोर प्लेसमेंट ऑफ PMM/PMC. Before application, surface should be in saturated dry, wet but not standing water condition. PMM/PMC should never be placed before 5 degrees Celsius and above 30 degrees Celsius. The surface of newly placed material should be protected from rainfall or other surface of water. The surface should be immediately covered with plastic sheets. In large area of application, it is advisable to provide joints of 15 mm width at intervals of 3 to 4 meters. Polymer should be stored in a cool, dry room and should not be kept in exposed area. Polymer should be mixed with cement slurry or mortar in the proportions recommended by the manufacturer or design engineers for various uses. Thank you.